welcome back here. Awesome Mark. I want you to rate me on it. That's what you do. Welcome back. New ammo. And we are right now. What's over here? Oh no. Whoa! Where do you guys come from? Hey, come on. Feel the taste of the yeah. Bam. See that you flinched. Once you flinch, you're done for. You aren't even ready for that. It's too late. Wait, you saw that? I think I pressed the shift button. Shut up. Shut up. Yeah. Whoa! Where did you come from? Sneaky. As of now, I tell you. People seriously think I'm talking to myself when I do this. And technically I am, but I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to you guys. Okay. Wait a second. Whoa, wait. Guys? I know what point this is. Like after... Ow! Like after these guys, there's the chainsaw guy. Oh god. My heart's actually racing. I don't want to see that guy. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Oh jeez. That part's actually coming up soon. I can feel it. Oh man. I don't know how to react. Oh god. Supposedly there's an M16 behind him. But God, I think I'll be too scared to grab it. So. What the heck was that? What? Whoa, what's wrong with my keyboard? No, go back. It's like... Okay. Guys, one quick second, because... No, that's scary. Let me, my dodge button. I need to edit that key in. Like that was fidgety. I didn't know how to run or anything. The heck? Okay, guys. Words cannot describe the fear. Oh God. Okay.